Do you want to have a gym experience in your own home? You've come to the right spot. Today we're listing the top treadmills that blend strength, comfort, and clever design to help you reach your fitness objectives without ever going outside. These treadmills offer performance and convenience that suit every lifestyle and location, whether you want to sprint like a pro, jog to relieve stress, or stroll while working. These choices, which feature smooth folding designs, shock-absorbing decks, and whisper-quiet motors, are designed to keep you going with ease. Prepare to select the ideal treadmill for your home gym by putting on your sneakers. Number 7. Joxir Walking Pad Treadmill. Anyone who wants to maintain an active lifestyle without having to leave their house or place of business may consider the Joxir Walking Pad Treadmill. It is ideal for tiny settings because it is lightweight, foldable, and portable. Its adjustable elevation, which can be set up to 8 degrees, is one of its best features. Compared to flat walking, it can help you burn up to 45% more calories. It operates smoothly at up to 7.5 miles per hour, whether you're jogging lightly or walking during business hours. Its 2.5 horsepower engine is surprisingly strong for its size. It can handle up to 360 pounds while remaining silent at less than 45 dB, so you won't bother anyone around. Tracking your time, distance, and speed and calories is made simple with the LED display, and you can adjust settings without stopping your stride thanks to the magnetic remote. The 6 integrated silicone shock absorbers give superior joint protection, and the 38 by 15-inch running surface provides plenty of room for comfortable movement. Positively, this treadmill is perfect for both home and workplace use because it is strong, silent, and simple to store. Exercises are far more efficient and joint-friendly because of the inclination and shock absorption. Taller users may find the running surface a little short, and it's not recommended for strenuous running sessions. All things considered, the Joxir Walking Pad Treadmill is a dependable, well-made choice for anyone looking for an easy method to maintain their fitness at their work. Number 6. Ksports Foldable Treadmill. For those who like to work out at home without compromising on space, the Ksports Foldable Treadmill is an excellent option. With a 2-horsepower motor that can reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, it is small, simple to fold, and still packs a lot of power. Whether you're jogging, strolling, or running short distances, the 16.5-inch broad running platform provides plenty of space for comfortable movement. Its Bluetooth connectivity is one of its best characteristics. You can track your objectives and keep an eye on your progress in real time by syncing your smartphone with fitness applications like KinoMap, Zwift, and FitShow. You may listen to your preferred music or podcast while working out thanks to its integrated speakers. Staying motivated is made simple by the LCD, which keeps all of your vital statistics, speed, time, distance, and calories visible. It is adaptable in what truly makes it stand out. To keep your training regimen interesting, it comes with 12 pre-programmed workout programs and 4 manual incline levels. It also includes an ab mat, 2 dumbbells, and a safety key for fast stops, allowing you to transform your treadmill session into a full-body workout. On the positive side, the Ksports treadmill is robust, easy to use, and provides a variety of training alternatives for novices and casual runners. Small rooms are ideal for the folding compact form. However, people who like automatic changes may find the manual incline annoying, and it isn't designed for strenuous marathon-style runs. All things considered, it's a versatile treadmill for regular at-home exercise. Number 15. Lichico Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill. For anyone who wishes to stay active while working or unwinding at home, the Lichico Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill is the ideal exercise partner. It is perfect for tiny places because it is stylish, small, and made to fit easily under your desk or bed. It has a strong 2.5 horsepower brushless motor that operates smoothly and silently despite its small size, allowing you to work out without bothering anyone nearby. Compared to conventional treadmills, the brushless design also requires less upkeep and has a longer lifespan. Its comfort and safety are what truly make it stand out. Even during extended sessions, the dual shock absorption system's suspended deck and high-performance cushioning pad reduce impact on your joints, making it gentle on your knees and ankles. It's ideal for walking, light jogging, or getting your steps in while working because of its speed range of 0.5 to 4 miles per hour. Another significant benefit of the treadmill is its portability. When not in use, it may easily slide under furniture because it is lightweight and has front wheels. A seamless workout is made possible with the provided remote control, which makes changing your speed simple. On the positive side, this treadmill is quite quiet, easy on the joints, and very practical for everyday usage. Small living areas and multitaskers will find it ideal. However, individuals seeking high-speed runs may find it unsatisfactory because it is primarily designed for walking and modest running. All things considered, the Lichico walking pad is a useful, compact exercise aid for anyone who wants to be active all day. Number 4. YRUN Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill. Whether you're at home or at work, the YRUN walking pad underdesk treadmill is a clever, compact way to stay active. This little treadmill is ideal for small living areas because it is conveniently designed to fit beneath a desk or sofa. Its 2.5 horsepower brushless motor provides smooth, incredibly silent operation, allowing you to jog or walk without disturbing anybody nearby. Additionally, because it is brushless, it operates more efficiently and requires less upkeep over time. Another benefit of this treadmill is its comfort. Its dual shock absorption technology lessens the stress on your knees and ankles by combining a hanging running board with a TPR cushioning pad. You can therefore walk for longer periods of time without experiencing joint pain. The 0.5 to 4 miles per hour speed range allows you to walk at a leisurely pace or jog lightly while working. Its front wheels allow you to quickly store it under furniture, making it lightweight and portable. Additionally, you can easily operate the treadmill with a remote control or a smartphone app, giving your exercises a contemporary hands-free feel. Positively, it's quiet, small, and easy on the joints, making it perfect for multitaskers or anyone who needs regular movement. It may feel small to taller users, though, and it isn't designed for small running sessions. All things considered, the YRUN walking pad is a stylish and dependable treadmill for easy daily exercise. Number 3. LiyLou Walking Pad Treadmill. For those who want to stay active without converting their living area into a full-fledged gym, the LiyLou Walking Pad Treadmill is a portable and adaptable choice. It has a strong 2.5 horsepower motor that can support up to 265 pounds while remaining whisper quiet, making it ideal for midday walks or early morning workouts without disturbing anybody nearby. It is made for both home and business use. This treadmill's included 5% incline is what sets it apart. It's a slight tilt, but it has a significant impact on how many calories you burn and how many muscles you use when walking or jogging. You may go at your own pace thanks to the speed range of 0.5 to 4 miles per hour, and you can easily modify anything with the provided remote control. The 5-layer running belt of the treadmill provides a sturdy, joint-friendly surface that is both non-slip and shock-absorbing. Its 35.4 by 15-inch size allows you to stroll comfortably while still being small enough to tuck under your desk or bed when not in use. It's easy to follow your progress because the LED display keeps you informed about your time, distance, speed, and calories. Positively, the LiyLou walking pad is sturdy, silent, and ideal for multitasking, whether you're watching TV or working. Exercises are more efficient and joint-friendly because of their slope and padding. Its lack of integrated wheels, however, may make moving it a little more difficult. All things considered, it's a well-made, compact treadmill for regular exercise and healthful mobility. Number 2. LifePro Underdesk Walking Pad. If you want to be active without getting up from your desk, the LifePro Underdesk Walking Pad is a fantastic option. It is small, lightweight, and silent, making it ideal for tucking beneath your desk or keeping under the sofa while not in use. Its dual incline feature, which lets you choose between a 5 and 7 degree slope, is what makes it unique. By adding a little difficulty to your exercise, you may engage more muscles and burn more calories without running or sprinting. Its top pace of 3 miles per hour makes it perfect for steady strolling all day. You can effortlessly change the speed with the supplied remote control, and you can follow your progress with the display panel that shows you the distance, time, and number of calories burned. The treadmill is office-friendly due to its smooth, low-noise operation and sturdy stainless steel frame. Its ease of maintenance is another fantastic attribute. You can easily and quickly keep everything operating properly thanks to an integrated lubricating port. An adjustable handlebar for further balance and support is included in the Pro version, which folds up nicely for storage. On the positive, this treadmill is quiet, compact, and ideal for low-impact exercises. The remote control offers convenience, and the inclination feature improves walking efficiency. However, it's not intended for running or jogging due to the 3-mile-per-hour limit. All things considered, the LifePro walking pad is a clever and effective approach to maintaining an active lifestyle while working or unwinding at home. Number 1. REVO Walking Pad Treadmill. A chic and useful method to stay active while working, watching TV, or answering calls at home is with the REVO Walking Pad Treadmill. It is ideal for compact places because it is lightweight, tiny, and simple to put under your desk or bed. Its 0.5 to 4 mile per hour speed range makes it perfect for light jogging or walking, enabling you to reach your daily 10,000 steps without going outside. It can easily suit people as tall as 6 foot 3 inches and supports users up to 265 pounds despite its thin design. The treadmill's quiet, smooth 2.25 horsepower engine allows you to concentrate without the annoying hum of other machines. Your time, speed, distance, and calories are all tracked by the integrated LED display, and you can easily modify your workout without pausing the supplied remote. Additionally, it has 12 preloaded exercise modes, which are excellent for introducing variation and maintaining interest as you progress toward your fitness objectives. One of REVO's greatest advantages is its durability. quality. It is designed to endure longer than other inexpensive treadmills because it is made of high-quality materials and comes with a strong 2-year replacement policy. On the positive side, this treadmill is strong, quiet, and simple to operate, making it ideal for multitasking or keeping up an exercise routine at home. Exercise is simple thanks to the remote control and preset programs. It is not intended for high-intensity training or running, though. All things considered, the REVO walking pad is a stylish, sturdy, and compact treadmill that makes maintaining an active lifestyle seem simple. And there you have it, the top treadmills for at-home fitness. All of these options are designed to keep you active, inspired, and feeling your best, whether you're searching for a little walking pad for your office or a strong foldable treadmill for rigorous workouts. It's never been easier or more fashionable to stay active. What are you waiting for then? Choose the treadmill that best suits your lifestyle and begin your journey to better health right now. Remember to hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe if you found this video useful so you can never miss the most recent evaluations, comparisons, and suggestions for fitness equipment only on Legit Pick.